Good morning, it's July 8th. This is automated flexible conveyors. We're going to be testing a material called dextrose. It weighs 56.60 pounds a cubic foot. This is for a project we quoted for fan steel. Now, we loaded the hopper with the dextrose material approximately 7 days ago. We had a long weekend, holiday weekend over the July 4th, and we were expecting the material to harden up and create some lumps, but as you can see, the material seems to be, as we dumped it, free-flowing. Now this hopper does include an agitator. You can see the drive at the bottom. We'll be able to see the mechanism as the hopper lowers. I'm not going to run the agitator. At this point, I don't think we need it for the conveying of the material, although we want to demonstrate the ability to convey the material 45 degrees, discharge it, and into a drum, and we have a dust pickup on the drum. Now, it was recommended that we create a little bit of an air gap here for replacement air, and that could be incorporated into the cover of design. But for the purpose of the test lab, we just jury-rigged this, so we have about an inch to inch and a half gap there. As you watch that black hose connection, it goes back to a dust collector that we have mounted on one of our bulk bag unloading frames. This seems to have the correct CFM to draw the dust away from the drum. That's probably a good, I'd say about 25 foot of hose connection. Our discharge height is about 12 feet. It's 45-degree incline. We're going to run this test at 600 RPM, which should yield around 12,000 pounds an hour or 200 pounds a minute. I believe that's more than we need. The system, as proposed, will have a variable speed drive, so we will have the ability to adjust that. Let's turn the dust collector on. Running. We added a clear section in the hose so we can watch the dust pickup occur. Okay, I'm going to take a shot looking into the hopper. I would just go. We're going to run this right to the end. We're going to empty it out until the drum's filled. Some dust moving through. We virtually don't have any dust escaping from the drum at this point. That's about as much as we're going to get out of it. Now you can see the agitator. We didn't run it. Didn't think we needed it. I did see some lumps towards the end of the conveying, but those were readily broken just by the action of the screw itself. Can we turn the agitator on? I want to see how that, demonstrate how that operates. What's that turn at about 180 RPM? Okay, the drum is full. We did some earlier testing. We were in excess of 12,000 pounds an hour. Material runs very well. I left the dump clean section off the top of this so we could do the video. I do have a photo I can send you of the dump clean section. This concludes testing. If you have any questions, call Automated Flexible Conveyors. Thank you.